Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you guys. It's just a small package here. Basically it's a adjustable Vachetta strap that I ordered off of Amazon for my pochette accessoire. As you can see, I've taken off the shoulder strap for this so I can just clip the strap on. So just to let you guys know, the strap I ordered from Amazon, it's from a seller called 17 Zone, and it's the Vachetta leather crossbody strap for the Neverfull pochette little pouch, and it's 1.2 centimeters or 12 millimeters, and it comes with the screws as well, so you can attach the screws to the Neverfull pouch and attach a strap to it. But I'm just using it for my pochette accessoire, so in that case I won't be needing the small screws for it. So I got this item for £27.03, to be exact. It's shipped all the way from China. Yeah, so the address that's been shipped from is based in China. I was told, I did get an email from Amazon saying I was to expect it in July, but I ordered it on 20th of May and it arrived yesterday, which was the 1st of June. So that's under 2 weeks. So I am super impressed by how quick the delivery time is. So I'm just going to quickly unbox this now. Just gonna get a pair of scissors. But yeah, so this is my dupe for the Louis Vuitton strap, because the adjustable shoulder strap 12mm width from Louis Vuitton cost £190 and I paid £27 for this. So let's see how the quality compares, because I have read reviews on it and the reviews are pretty good. So if it's something similar, then I've saved a ton of money by investing in this. So that's the package here. It's all in bubble wrap, and then it's in another package. Oops, I think that's the, yeah, so it comes with the little screws here that I think you can attach it to your Neverfull pouch, but I'm not using it for that. I'm using it for my pochette accessoire. So this is the, I don't know if you can see, ignore my nails, but this is the strap here. So as you can see, it looks pretty much like the Vachetta leather from Louis Vuitton. I am filming this on my new phone, so if it's not, like, I apologise if it's not great, but as you can see, they have the yellow, like, sewing, the stitching. The leather looks pretty similar to the Vachetta leather Louis Vuitton uses, and they have the red glazing as well. That's the little wee hooks here. I don't know if you can see, but and it smells quite similar as well to the Louis Vuitton leather, which is kind of scary actually. But I'm just gonna unwind it. Just gonna have a quick look over this. So I think let me just check what length, because you can pick different lengths for certain ones, but I think the one I picked, because it's adjustable, I have a wider like selection of different lengths that I can use to it. So it ranges from 41 to 49 inches, which is 105 to 125 centimeters length, and that includes the snap hooks at the end. So I'm about 5'1", so I would probably be looking for a strap length, and I quite like my crossbodies sit quite high up on my hips, so I would be looking at something for about 1 meter. But because this is adjustable, I don't have to worry about picking a specific length for the strap. They do ones that's non-adjustable, and that's when you have to pick what length best suits you. But I'm just going to attach this now to my pochette accessoire. Actually, I'll probably have put this on a shortest setting because usually I quite like my bag strap to be quite short and for my bags to be sitting up quite high. So I'm just undoing this just now. So that's that on a shortest setting. And I don't know if you can see, there is a slight difference. Actually, I don't know if you can tell by the camera, but obviously I think the Louis Vuitton gold hardware looks a bit more yellow than this here. But you can't really tell from far away. I think other than that, the gold hardware looks pretty close as well. The snap closures are quite easy to use. And I'm just gonna fix this. Just want this to go over the hoop just to keep the strap down. So I'm just gonna stand up and do like a mod shot of what it looks like on me. So that's that on the shortest setting. And it sits just below my hips. So I'm thinking maybe I should have ordered the 1 meter one, but I think if I'm wearing a thicker coat, obviously the bag would sit higher up on me. So I'm not actually too mad at this. I'm actually quite impressed, especially with the time they took to ship to me. The quality looks pretty similar to Louis Vuitton. Obviously, in terms of wear, you know, I need a bit of time to wear this before I can tell you guys. But so far, I'm pretty impressed. So if you guys are interested in investing into, if you want to buy a crossbody strap for your pochette accessoire or even your never fill pouch, and definitely check out this one on Amazon by the seller. I will put the link down below. So if you guys have any more questions you want to ask, please let me know. But I'll keep this video short and sweet. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys take care. Bye.